students, I'm Dr. Anita Sharma. Welcome in my chemistry class. So as I have already explained polarization theory and pi bonding theory of trans effect in my previous video, in this video I'm going to explain modern theory of trans effect. So let's begin.
Hello students, in today's lecture I will explain modern theory of trans effect, which is also known as molecular orbital theory of trans effect, and this is paper 302, and this topic comes under the syllabus of Gujarat University BSc Chemistry semester 5. So first we have to understand who has given this theory, because we have already completed pi bonding theory and polarization theory of trans effect, and trans effect already I have explained in my previous video. So now this MO theory was given by Langford and Gray, and according to this theory, among the ligands arranged trans to each other, ligands which can overlap more with p orbital of central metal ion. P orbital of central metal ion can construct strong Ml bond. Means if two ligands are there and both are placed at trans to each other, so the ligand which can construct or which can overlap more with p orbital of central metal ion construct a strong Ml bond, while the ligand trans to that ligand has weak overlapping with p orbital of metal ion gets labelized. The most stable MO are sigma bonding orbitals, which are close to 4 chloride ligands. So suppose we are taking example of PtCl4. So in that condition this will be more chloride ligand, because energy of sigma orbital of chlorine ligand is more closer to energy of sigma bonding MOs than the energy of the orbital of platinum. So basically in MO what exactly we have to understand, okay, how trans effect works as per molecular orbital theory. So in the next order of stability, pi bonding MOs present. So first sigma bonding MOs most stable, and then pi bonding MOs molecular orbitals. We are not talking about anti-bonding. So we know that sigma bonding molecular orbitals are most stable. Then pi bonding molecular orbitals, which are also closer to Cl ligand than next in order of anti-bonding molecular orbital of sigma and pi orbital. So you have seen the molecular orbital diagram. In that molecular orbital diagram also we have seen first sigma bonding molecular orbital, then pi bonding molecular orbital, and then sigma and pi bonding anti-bonding molecular orbital. So the stability, order of stability depends on the energy, and as we know the energy of sigma bonding molecular orbital is minimum, so that they are more stable. So in trans PtA2LX complex, suppose we are taking this complex. In this complex A2, two ligands which are A are same, so they can cancel their trans effect if they are placed at the trans position of each other. Say suppose we have this compound, and in this A is placed here, and this is our metal, and second A is placed here, and here L, and here X is present. So because here suppose we have A and A, so they will cancel their effect. But if we have X and L, then what will be the situation? That we have to understand, and which will be labile and how it will be labile. So ligand L and leaving group X means here L is ligand which is showing more overlapping with M, and this is X is we are considering here as leaving group. So ligand L and leaving group X both has to overlap with px orbital of metal. Now they both ligands will try to overlap with the p orbital of metal to form sigma bond. Here strong sigma bonding ligand, if this is strong sigma bonding ligand, then this bond will be becomes strong and this becomes weak. If this is forming strong sigma bond by overlapping of metals p orbital, then this becomes strong and this will be weaker. So more overlapping with px orbital in comparison with leaving group X, so platinum X bond labilized. This platinum metal here we are taking, I have written here M, but here we can write PT. So this bond labilized. Thus during this mechanism the rate of substitution of X ligands increases. So when we see the mechanism, when nucleophile attack on this compound, then substitution takes place, and in this condition substitution of X ligand increases. So if we are showing this concept by figure, so here you can see, if this is our metal and these two are ligands X and L, I have not written here two more ligands are there, that A1 and A2. Since A1 and A2 are same, so I am not showing those A1 and A2. But if we have L and X, and if they both are overlapping with the p orbital of metal with same extent, in that condition trans effect will not be shown by any of the ligand. So equal overlapping both sides. This X is overlapping with the p orbital of platinum. Here L is also overlapping with the p orbital of platinum. Now in second figure you can see. In the second figure, if we have L and X, L is showing more overlapping. This is overlapping with the p orbital of metal and more overlapping and forming strong sigma bond. So this becomes stable and the energy will be less. And if this PT and X is showing less overlapping, in that condition the bond will not be strong. And if bond will not be strong, which is trans to this L, so what is happening here, due to strong overlapping between PT and L, strong sigma bond will form, and due to this bond or due to this L, this X which is placed trans to L becomes weak, or we can say this PT-X bond gets labilized. It means good sigma covalent ligands like CH3 negative, H negative has more overlapping with px orbitals of metal. As a result of this, negative charge increases, which repel sigma electrons of bond exists as trans to previous ligand. Thus this bond exists as trans position gets labilized. So next substitution takes place at that point. So basically in MO theory, one thing we have to understand that if we have two ligands which are placed trans to each other, then which ligand will show more overlapping with the p orbital of metal, and the ligand which is forming strong sigma bond get stability, and due to this stability between this ligand and metal, the ligand which is placed trans to this particular ligand will labile, or we can say this ligand is making another ligand which is placed trans to it labile, and the bond will break. So this is the MO theory of trans effect. Thank you.